Hello everyone and welcome on this weekly review of AI news. Make sure that you hit the like button and let's jump on today's headline. Biology's biggest mystery solved, mainly by AI. Modular Robotics Markets revenue surges up. CDEI launches a roadmap for tackling algorithmic bias. A neural network developed by Google-owned DeepMind has made an enormous step in solving one of the biology's most significant challenges, determining a protein's 3D shape from its amino acid sequence. DeepMind's program, called AlphaFold, outperformed around 100 other teams in biennial protein structure prediction challenge for critical assessment of structure prediction, aka CASP. The results were announced on the 30th of November at the start of the conference.
This is a big deal. In some sense, the problem is solved,
says John Mould. By accurately predicting protein structures from the amino acid sequence would vastly accelerate efforts to understand the building blocks of cells and enable quicker and more advanced drug discovery. A report called Modular Robotics Market Research Report, by offering robot type, payload capacity, and user global industry analysis and growth forecast to 2030, is posted to researchandmarkets.com. The report indicates that the market's revenue will increase from 5.6 billion to 15.1 billion from 2019 to 2030, with the market showing a CAGR from 9.9% from 2020 to 2030. MIT Forum examines the rise of automation in the workplace.
Pop culture does a great job of scaring us that artificial intelligence will take over the world,
said Professor Daniela Rose, speaking on the virtual MIT event on Wednesday. Ms. Rose, the director of the MIT Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, said that the robots aren't going to steal everyday's job overnight. They are not yet good enough at tasks requiring handling dexterity or generalized processing of different kinds of information. The rising requirement for automation in manufacturing and workhouse operation is pushing up the global demand for collaborative modular robotic systems. This is, in turn, boosting the sales of modular robotic systems all over the world, which is causing the surge of the global modular robotics market. A review from Center of Data Ethics and Innovation has led to the creation of a roadmap for tackling algorithmic bias. The AI algorithms was a game changer in the way that businesses and individuals can benefit from the data of their customers. However, the analysis which was commissioned by the UK government shows that the biases are often unconsciously doing damages to the results. Adrian Weller, board member of the Center for Data Ethics and Innovation, said,
"It is vital that we work hard now to get this right as the adoption of algorithmic decision-making increases. Government, regulators, and industry need to work together with interdisciplinary experts, stakeholders, and the public to ensure that algorithms are used to promote fairness, not undermine it." The Center for Data Ethics and Innovation has today set out a range of measures to help the UK to achieve this, with a focus on enhancing transparency and accountability in decision-making processes that have a significant impact on individuals. Not only does the report propose a roadmap to tackle the risks, but it highlights the opportunity that good use of data presents to address historical unfairness and avoid new biases in key areas of life.
Finally, the report focuses on 4 key sectors where algorithmic bias poses the most significant risk: policing, recruitment, financial services, and local government. That's my AI Weekly Report. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and share so more people will benefit from it. If you do love what you see, then don't hesitate to subscribe. My name is Evangelos Vatsirakos and peace out.